Okay, there's a question posed, okay, about date manipulation. So the question actually wants the difference between two dates. Okay, so if you are working with date, all right, I'm using Python 3 over here, so I can see the Python 3, and I'm using my I'm not using my desktop. I'm using one of the online compiler, all right, because I'm having some problem with my desktop IDE today. Okay, so if you're working with dates, definitely you will need your date time, all right. And since I only need date for this particular example, I just import date. Of course, you can import others, all right. So I will have my first date, which this F date is actually my first date. This is a variable. Same with my L date, which is my last date. Okay. So I hard code my first date first. Right. So 2022 January 1st. Okay. But I want to calculate today's date from the 1st January of the year, right, of 2022. So very simply, all right, I can just subtract them. Okay, so you can actually subtract it, and I put them the answer into another variable called diff. All right. Now to make it simple, so that you can see from the video, is I will actually want to display what is today's date. See, L date is actually today's date over here. All right, and the difference in the number of days. All right, so which means from 1st January until today, how many days has gone past, right, of this 2022 year. Okay, so just run this. All right, I'm going to run this, and okay, you can see it down here. All right, so today's date, of course this one will change every day. Okay, so today's date is 2022 February 9, right, which is actually my system. Okay, and so since January 1st until today, right, which is February 9, okay, 39 days has gone past. All right, okay, so you can easily subtract just like numbers, right, for dates, but always remember to import what you need and learn to use the date object. Okay, so this should solve your exercise question.